Hello, this is Palaya. We are from India. My company name is Indian Hair Locks. We supply raw virgin hair we collect from temples. You see, this is silky straight raw virgin hair we collect from temples. If you want, please order to me to my WhatsApp. Thank you. Its combing is very easy because all cuticles still in same direction or still in cuticle intact is same direction. It's a single donor raw virgin hair we collect from temple. If you want, please order to me to my WhatsApp. If you have any doubt or hesitates, please ask to me. I can give my reply in my best. Thanks once again to you.